Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your PayPal invoices. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into your PayPal account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. Now once you're logged in, you want to access the invoicing section, and you can do that by just clicking on tools in the navigation bar, and you want to choose the invoicing option. Next, you can view invoice status, so you can view a list of all of your invoices including their status. You can filter invoices by status such as sent, paid, or overdue. Now you can track invoice payments simply by viewing the payment history for each invoice, including the date and amount paid. And you can identify overdue invoices, and you can send reminders to clients. Now to send reminders and notifications, don't forget you could always just send reminders to clients who haven't paid their invoices on time. You can also send notifications to clients when their invoices are sent, paid, or overdue. Step 6 is to export invoice data. So you can export invoice data to a CSV file for further analysis or for record keeping. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your PayPal invoices. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.